Hello student, this is CS test 2, ID is 110012. Okay, and the question number is 11. The question number 11 says, we have to find out the correct statement, and two statements are given over here, S1 and S2. Okay, so S1 is given as non-deterministic Turing machine, and deterministic Turing machines are of equivalent power. Okay, and the statement 2 is given here as increasing the number of tapes increases power of Turing machine. Okay, increases power of Turing machine. So what do you mean by Turing machine? So Turing machine, it is a mathematical model that works on tapes. Okay, that mechanically operate on tapes. Okay, it operates on tapes. Now if we increase the number of tapes, then the Turing machine will become more complex. It will become powerful, but its computational power do not enhance. See, if we increase the number of tapes, increasing the number of tapes will result in more complex Turing machine. It will be powerful. This will be powerful, but computational power will decrease. Computational power decreases. So statement 2 is false. Therefore, S2 is false. Now what about this one? First statement. Now Turing machine, it's all DFA, NFA, push down automata, non-deterministic push down automata, whatever the automata we have seen, those all are Turing machine that works on the tapes. Okay, so we already know DFA and NFA are of equivalent power. DFA and NFA are of equivalent power, so that whether the Turing machine is deterministic or non-deterministic, it will be of equivalent power. So S1 is true. So which option is matching out here? See, the option A is S1 is true, S2 is false, so our answer will be A. C, other option, S1 is true, S2 is true, no, B is wrong. C is S1 is false, S2 is true, that is also false. Then S1 is false, S2 is false, no, but our S1 is true. So our correct option is A. So answer is A. Thank you.